we're gonna use a different hand to get it out. It's a very tight socket, so we're gonna use a different hand, a little bit more strength. There we go. Once it's loose, we're gonna bring the bulb out. This will be the bulb here. What you're gonna do is just simply pop in, turn out, and the bulb is out. From there, we're gonna get our new bulb. We're gonna go into slots and install. We're done. Now back in the housing. So we currently have the emergency lights on. So the camera wants to record the front of the headlight. The front of the headlight, well, you guys will see it flashing once it's fully installed. There you go. Once it starts flashing, you know that they're in and everything's ready. And again, the bulb that we're using will be our T3-1157 amber.